Today I'll show you how to generate AI images and edit PDFs directly in Foxit PDF Editor. If you're creating a one-pager or presentation, you can quickly add visuals using the AI Assistant. Let's begin by generating a new image for the document. You can upload one reference image to guide the AI. Uploading another replaces the previous one. You can choose from a variety of design styles. I'd like to add an illustration. Resize presets let you choose an aspect ratio for the image. Now I'll write a prompt describing the image I want to generate. Some notes about image prompting. We'll start with a simple idea and build it up step by step to show how prompting changes the image. Start with structure, the subject, what it's doing, and the style. Use natural, descriptive language so the AI understands the scene the way you imagine it. Experiment with prompt length to control how simple or cinematic the image becomes. Add visual elements like lighting, color, mood, and composition to shape the look and feel. Refine and iterate. Small adjustments bring the result closer to your vision. Use negative prompts to say what you don't want. Go advanced by exploring artistic influences or stronger stylistic directions. By starting simple and gradually adding detail, you can shape AI images into exactly what you need. Now, back to my one-pager. I'll add my prompt. Adjusting the prompt helps improve results. I'll iterate and try variations. I'll select one of the results and refine it further using Edit Image. Once I'm satisfied, I'll add the image to the PDF. After adding it, Edit Object Mode automatically activates, allowing me to reposition and resize the image. Next, let's update an existing image in the document that needs improvement. I'll right-click and choose Edit Image with AI to open it in the generator. Here, I can enhance the image, refine it with a new prompt, or use it as a reference. To replace an image, I'll remove the old one, add the new AI image, and reposition it as needed. Whatever you're creating, marketing pieces, proposals, or learning materials, this workflow helps you craft visuals that make an impact. Need more information? Check out www.foxit.com. Did you find this helpful? Browse through our other tutorials now. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell for alerts.